What's up, you guys? Hi to my new subbies, hi to my old subbies. Clearly we have another unboxing by ROSALIND Beauty, and I really enjoy doing these unboxings because they have such beautiful gel polishes. I love their gel polishes. This is a 20-piece nail set, okay, and I am going to swatch all 20 of them, and I kind of made it a little short because I don't want y'all to be here forever. I know you guys like the short videos, okay? So we're gonna try to get through this, but I hope y'all enjoy these as much as I do because I love doing these unboxings. And yeah, so, and if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, girl. You is not gonna miss, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to miss anything is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so let's get to this unboxing. Oh yeah, and plus, if you want to get this set, I'll have a code down below so that way you can get it, you know, a percentage off, you know what I'm saying? Because who don't love a good discount, okay? So as you can see, all these colors are nice and creamy, so pretty. I did enjoy doing those swatches, and this acrylic application is going to be pretty short because I don't know what I got going on, but for some reason my hand was not in the frame when I was doing these when I was doing my application, and yeah, so there's barely any footage of me doing the acrylic application, but guess what? That's okay. This is just gonna be a short video focused on nail art, and yeah, so I'm just taking like the colors, my choice of colors that I decided to go with, and I'm going to do this. It was on Pinterest, and you're just taking a bunch of colors and kind of building it up on the nail, and then I'm gonna go in with the airbrush machine, and we're gonna use the pressure of the air to kind of create like a water effect, I guess. And yeah, but I'm gonna let y'all watch it and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So I will say this, I did put like a little too much polish, so it took me a while to kind of like, you know, create that wave effect because I put too much polish. So when you see me going with the airbrush machine, you'll see that I'm trying to like get it to a certain, you know, design that I want, because you don't want to like keep on, like, you don't want to, how to describe it, like you don't want to like fully mix the colors so it won't become like one color. So sometimes I have to go in different directions to kind of move the colors around. And I just took a little bit of acetone and cleaned up on the side because, like I said, I did go in with a lot of polish. So, and I didn't want it to be bulky either. Like, I didn't want it to be thick because there's a lot of polish on my nails. So the other nails I did go in with less polish, so that way it wouldn't be, you know, bulky, because I have to put a top coat over it to, you know, save the design, because I wanted to keep that design. So I'm gonna put a top coat, I'm gonna put a top coat over it, and then I'm gonna buff the nail and then go over it with some chrome, like a little chrome artwork. So as you can see right here, I did buff the nail, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like gray polish and kind of create like certain lines, you know, where I want it to be. So yeah, I'm just going in and trying to figure out what lines I'm going to put where. And I will cure that for 60 seconds once I get like my little thin lines going on. And then I'm going to put the chrome, rub the chrome on top of it. And but yeah, this is the light gray in the ROSALIND collection that I just showed y'all. Here I'm just rubbing on the chrome. Like I said previously, I did cure that gray polish for 60 seconds and then rub the chrome on, and I'm brushing off the excess chrome. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm actually super excited how this set came out because I didn't think it was gonna be this cute, but my choice of colors were perfect. Like, it came out so cute. And I actually want to keep these on forever. Like, I don't even want to take these off. But I'm just going to go ahead and top coat that and cure that. And I'm going to do the rest of my nails off camera. And I'll come back with the final product. So this is the final product. It looks so cute. I'm obsessed. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these nails. Like, would y'all wear these? Like, would y'all try this? And I'm going in with my Valentino cuticle oil that smell like tangerines. But anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. And I love y'all so, so much. All right, bye.